Notion Review. Watch before using. Notion is a versatile productivity tool designed to streamline how individuals and teams organize their work. Whether you're a student, freelancer, entrepreneur, or part of a large organization, Notion offers a highly customizable platform to suit your needs. Its key features include powerful databases, collaborative workspaces, task management tools, and document creation capabilities, all integrated seamlessly into a single app. Notion excels at combining note-taking, project tracking, and knowledge management, allowing users to replace multiple tools like Trello, Evernote, and Google Docs. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create pages, embed media, or link databases without any technical skills. What sets Notion apart is its flexibility. You can use it to build anything from a simple to-do list to a comprehensive company knowledge base or a personal productivity dashboard. For teams, the real-time collaboration feature is a game changer. You can assign tasks, share documents, and comment directly on projects, which makes it ideal for remote work or collaborative projects. Integration with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier further enhances its functionality. On the personal side, students can use Notion for class notes and study schedules, while freelancers can track clients and invoices. Templates are another standout feature. Notion provides a wide variety to get you started quickly, but if you're feeling creative, you can design your own pages from scratch. However, Notion does have a learning curve. Its open-ended nature can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're not sure how to structure your workflow. It's best to start with a specific goal in mind and use templates to avoid getting lost in customization options. Another point to consider is offline access. Notion requires an internet connection for most of its features, which might be a limitation for some users. That said, regular updates and a thriving user community offer plenty of support and inspiration for getting the most out of the platform. In conclusion, Notion is an all-in-one productivity tool that combines flexibility, power, and ease of use, making it one of the best apps on the market for managing personal and professional projects. While it takes some effort to learn and adapt, the payoff is worth it for anyone looking to stay organized, productive, and collaborative. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps, Notion might just be the solution you've been waiting for.